Death of a Star by Wes Renfrow and Ryan Wallace. Intermediate mass stars becomes a red giant. Through shell hydrogen fusion, the star shines and the inert core shrinks, along with the outer layers expanding. The star moves up and to the right on an HR diagram, where it shows that the luminosity increases and the surface temperature decreases. The star becomes a red giant, and core helium fusion begins with a helium flash. Red giant reaches the horizontal branch. By shell hydrogen fusion and core helium fusion, the star is able to shine more brightly. The core then expands and the outer layers shrink. Stellar winds cause the star to lose mass. The star moves down and to the left on the HR diagram and shows that the luminosity decreases and surface temperature increases. The region on the HR diagram is called the horizontal branch. The stars enter the zombie phase. Eventually, all the core helium is spent. Through all this, the star is able to shine by shell hydrogen fusion and shell helium fusion. Then the core is able to shrink and the outer layers will be able to expand. The star moves up and to the right on the HR diagram, where it shows that the luminosity increases and the surface temperature decreases.
AGB stars. Powered by the double shell fusion, the star becomes an asymptotic giant branch star, or AGB star. When the sun reaches this phase, its diameter will be as large as the Earth's orbit. These stars emit strong stellar winds, which significantly reduce their mass. Age stars. The loss of mass weakens the compression force of gravity. The star will compress until its carbon and oxygen core cannot be compressed anymore. Because the star is not massive enough, fusion stops at the core. Thermal runaway. Helium shell flash causes the star to expand and slow the rate of fusion. This happens several times. The outer layers expand and cool until it condenses to form dust and grains surrounding the inner core. The surrounding dust is called a planetary nebula with a white dwarf at its center. This is the planetary nebula, and here is a video of a death of a star. And here is our works cited.